I have an insane amount of beauty PR to go through with you guys, so I'm just gonna go through it rapid fire and we are gonna get to all of the new beauty products I've received. Now, as a quick little disclaimer, I am part of the Ulta Beauty Collective, so I get a lot of the PR through them. I also get a lot of PR that I get just by being a content creator. This is a lot of stuff, so this is not normal. I do make sure to give it to friends or family, and I donate a lot of it to my women's shelter once I've gone through and picked out some of the products that I wanna try. So if there's anything in particular you guys wanna see more information on, definitely let me know in the comment section below. But let's go ahead and get started. Lindsay's excited. Beachy. So this package said open immediately, and I'm not gonna lie, I did, but I also ate it. So there was like a little thing of candy here, which I ate because I have such a sweet tooth. But they also sent over the Mineral 89 48-hour moisture matte sorbet. So I'm really excited to try this because I have been using their moisturizer in my normal routine. I love that it's fragrance free and it's really, really nice. I'm using the cream version, so I'm excited to try this one. Beauty of Joseon reached out and wanted to know if I wanted some of their newer products. I was like, yes, because I love Beauty of Joseon. So we have the Red Bean Refreshing Pore Mask, of course their sunscreen, it looks like their sun serum. So a lot of sun products in general, the Revive Eye Serum Ginseng Light On Serum Centella Vita C, I have not tried that. And then we also have the Ground Rice and Honey Glow Mask. So a bunch of products I have not tried. Ooh, so we have this little package from Kaja. This is the Juicy Glass Lip Oil. So it looks like we have sheer and the new milky shade. So if I should do like a swatching video on these, let me know because I know everyone loves a good lip oil. Another little box from Beauty of Joseon. I'm really excited about this because obviously their sunscreen is very popular, and this is the newest version. So we have the original right here, and then we have the new one, which is their Relief Sun Aqua Fresh Rice Plus B5. So I actually went to the Orabella event this past week, and this is for the new Orabella fragrance from Bella Hadid. This is Nightcap, and we actually had a call with her where she explained a lot of the background of her inspiration for Nightcap and some of her other fragrances. This is cool. So this is from a brand called Rosen. Their Black Girl Sunscreen Make It Glow, the continuous sunscreen spray for face and body. And then we also have the Super Smoothie Cleanser. Sounds really lovely. Like this has a jojoba oil and avocado in it. And this is also for people who have dark spots and textured skin. I do have dark spots. I have one right here that I'm constantly working on. So I'm curious to see how these will help. So I have this box sent over from Eva NYC, and I'm really excited about this because I have a lot of products in here that I have been dying to try. I did ask them to just kind of like send me some of their best, but I also specifically asked for, I think it was this one, the Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer for fine hair. I have fine hair. I also just got my hair cut, which it was way longer than this, believe it or not, but I have a lot more layers. It's freshened up, so I'm looking forward to like taking care of my hair from a fresh start. We have another flexible hairspray. I have yet to find hairspray I'm obsessed with, so I'm excited to try this. The Made Magic Nourishing Hair Oil, and then we also have the Made Magic 10-in-1 Shine Mask. We have a box here from Pacifica, and Pacifica's been sending some like really interesting and exciting things. Ooh, this is another one I'm really excited about because, again, talking about hair products. This is the Vanilla Oat Milk. We have the Volumizing Foam Shampoo, and then also a Vanilla Oat Milk Volumizing Conditioner. Because it's volumizing, I feel like it'll be really great for my fine hair. So I'm excited to try this, and I've also never tried a foam shampoo. Another box that I matched, this one's from Elizabeth Arden. Ooh, okay, so we have the new Retinol Plus HPR Ceramide Capsules. I've seen this style of product. I've been wanting to try it for the longest time. So I really like the rock ones. So I feel like I'll really like these ones from Elizabeth Arden. Oh, this is cool. It's like a, I think it's for like, you know, vitamins and stuff. This is from Dune, which is a new brand to me. That's their derm backed, and let's see what we've got in the package. Whoa, this looks cool. This is the Golden Guard Browning Radiance Gel Sun Care for Body. It has an SPF of 30. I've seen other products like this. I've been too scared to try them because obviously I'm not trying to like get sun damage on my skin, but with an SPF 30, this feels a lot safer. It'll be nice, so I'm excited to try this one too. We have Believe. This is one of their new products. This is the Aqua Bomb Eye Gel. You guys know I love the Aqua Bomb line. I've been a big fan for years. Beetlejuice. So I saw some ads of this come out with this collaboration with NYX, so I'm excited to see. Ooh, so we got a whole thing in here. I see some little temporary tattoos. So we have the actual makeup products here. Gloss. We have some sponges. We also have some really interesting looking eyeliners. These look like pretty colors. Ooh, this is the eyeshadow palette. I love the combination of the colors. That'd actually be really pretty for fall, I feel like. And then we have some other like interesting little things. The Dead Cold Under Eye Patches. This one's from Purr. Looks like, Ooh. Mascara. And then we have some eyeliners. And it looks like they're saying these are sustainable and recyclable packaging and also skincare infused. Ooh. Philosophy. Ooh. So this is the new Radiant Grace Eau de Parfum. It's supposed to have jasmine, caramelized sandalwood, and then juicy black cherry. That's really good. That's very good. Little package from e.l.f. We have the Blue Tea Sleep Night Oil. Beauty Sleep. Okay, that's cute. It's supposed to have 1% Grin Active retinoid plus blueberry extract. We got a package here from Dibs. I've really been enjoying Dibs. They've been so much fun. Blend the Rules launching 8/26. They're coming to Ulta Beauty. Yay! Okay, that's cool. Ooh, I love this brush. And then we have some other products in here. We have Starlit. We have the Desert Island Duo in shade number 2. And then we have the Statistic in High Road Highlight. Miss Ma'am, can you see this Tootsie? That's a Tootsie. That's a good Tootsie. Youth to the people. Ooh, got like a makeup bag in here. Radical Acceptance. Oh my gosh, this has been like my theme of my life lately. What do we got in here? We have the Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser. We have the Superfood Skin Drip, which is a smooth and glow serum. And then we also have the Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream. I haven't tried a lot of their products in a while, so I'm gonna have to give them a go or like look into them a little bit more. Pixie. Ooh, these look nice. These are the Hydra Lip Treat. It looks like they have 3 different shades in here. Province Beauty, which I'm becoming more familiarized with as I go along. This looks nice. Bare Lumiere Protecting Perfecting Cream. Oh, so I'm excited to try this. And they also sent over, it looks like a little scarf. Nice. Paw. I love Paw. These are their action bombs. So these are, ooh, these have SPF in them. Oh, this one does. So this one's a multi-purpose lip balm with the natural Paw and SPF 30. And then we have the multi-purpose lip oil with collagen. We have this PR package here, which looks cute. Whoa. Whoa. It's from Beauty Style, which I've actually tried some of their skincare before. Oh, it's behind the coconut. Okay, I was like, am I gonna have to break this open? Okay. Is the Triple Plump Coconut Milk Serum. Whoa, that sounds nourishing. So this is a package from Flower Nose. It looks like they sent over like a lot of products. I have done videos on my YT talking about them, so let me know if I should do, I don't know if this is a collection. It says it's the Strawberry Rococo series. That sounds cute. So I don't know if I should open these. I feel like I should almost save them for like a full video, but you guys let me know if you guys want a full video on them. But of course, Flower Nose has the prettiest packaging. Let me just open like one thing. Gosh, that's adorable. I like this already, the packaging, better than their previous, like the summer collection. That's pretty. We have this big guy from Philosophy. Whoa. Okay, so we have a couple different shower gels in here. We have the Citron and Sage, Fresh Cream Warm Cashmere, and then we also have the Coconut Splash. I mean, I love Philosophy body cleansers, so thank you so much. I might have to put one of these in my husband's shower. So these are their new and improved hydrating shower gels, which are now available in 19 cents. So pretty sure you can find something that suits your fancy. Let's just go ahead and do this one because this is another Philosophy package that's also quite big. Whoa! Their body oil. Okay, these are the Amazing Grace. So now I have like the original, the body oils, the like newer version. This is a resurfacing body serum. Body dry brush. Beautiful and shimmery and nourished. This one's from L'Occitane. Oh, ooh, this one's like a pokey one. This one's like a silicone one. Is this for your hair? What is this for? Oh, it is. This is the Intense Repair Anti-Frizz Serum. So you apply to damp or dry hair from length to tips. Do not, oh, so it's like a leave-in. Okay, nice. L'Oreal. Oh, this is neat. So this must have been what they sent out with the Olympics. I'm a little obviously late. So we have a highlighter, looks like a brow laminator, a matte resistance bold color, a lip product, and then we have a hairspray. So the Roche-Posay. this? Dear Morgan, welcome to La Roche-Posay. We invite you to discover life-changing dermatological skincare. We hope you enjoy these products we've carefully curated for you. There's so much in here. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to add some of these immediately to my routine since I've got my sensitive skin. We've got some sun protection. We have the Double Repair Face Moisturizer, the Cicablast Gel B5, the Eau Thermal, the Thermal Spring Water, Hyla B5 Serum. Oh my gosh, there's so much good stuff in here. Wow, thank you. I can't wait to try a lot of these. I feel like I should open this guy because it's been sitting here this whole time. So this is from obviously CeraVe. Whoa. So we have all their cleansers essentially. We have hydrating foaming, hydrating cream to foam, renewing SA, hydrating foam oil, acne control, and it looks like a shirt. Cute. Thank you, CeraVe. My husband was all excited about this package. I was like, I have to do my PR unboxing and then you can use some of this. Package from Bubble. Lynx likes this one evidently. Says, hello UB Collective member. We are launching 3 new amazing cleansers. So we have the gel cleanser, a Magic Milk Micellar Milk. We have a first class oil cleanser. And then we also have the Soft Launch Hydrating Cream Cleanser. So it seems like there's a cleanser here for pretty much every skin type. Oh, this is from Cody. So I recently went to a Gucci event, which was really fun, but it looks like they're sending over for their 120th anniversary. That's crazy. See? Heavy. Got a candle here. Cody, 120 years, the beauty of a vision. Ooh, that smells good. Got the Ultimate Miracle Worker. I actually have this in my bathroom right now because I'm so excited to try this. We have Burberry Goddess perfume. We have a bottle of the Gucci Flora Gorgeous Orchid. Honestly, such a good fragrance. I've actually been wearing this one, so I love this. I'm probably gonna gift this to my mom. And then this little guy. We have a Kylie Cosmetics Supple Kiss Lip Glaze. All right, last 2. Rapid Lash. Whoa. We have the Eyelash Daily Conditioner, Eyebrow Enhancing Serum, the Mascara Serum, and then we have the Eyelash Enhancing Serum. A lot of lash and brow stuff. I don't know about the lash stuff if I'm gonna use it, but I will definitely use the brow stuff. Last but not least, we've got Glow Recipe. Do you? And then they have some of their staples. We have the Watermelon Glow Toner, the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops, which I love these, and then we have the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. So thank you, Glow Recipe. All right, guys, so that was my PR unboxing, and a big thank you to the brands and PR companies that sent me anything to try. I am so grateful, and every time I do one of these, I am blown away by how generous these companies are and the fact that I get to share this and spread the love with a lot of people in my life, as well as, like I said, at the women's shelter. So I'm very excited to go through these. I have a bit of picking through and cleaning up to do, as you can probably see kind of right here. But yeah, like I said at the beginning, let me know if there's anything you guys want me to talk more about, and I will be happy to do so. As always, I hope you guys are happy and healthy, and don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.